stared at a blank screen, the cursor blinking mockingly, wondering how to write a killer YouTube script? You're not alone. So many new creators get stuck right here in the scriptwriting phase. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and honestly can kill your motivation before you even upload your first video. I get it. You have amazing content ideas, but turning them into engaging scripts can feel like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops.
Let's be real. In today's fast-paced world, time is your most valuable asset. Spending hours agonizing over every sentence, every word, every phrase is time you could be using to film, edit, or, actually live your life. And here is the kicker. If your scripts are not engaging, your videos would not perform well. And if your videos do not perform well, you do not grow. You risk losing momentum, losing potential subscribers, and ultimately, losing out on achieving your YouTube goals. The clock is ticking, and you need a smarter, faster way. Now, before you start hyperventilating into a paper bag, let me tell you a secret.
What if I told you there's a way to conquer scriptwriting faster than you can say algorithm? No, we're not talking about selling your soul to a scriptwriting demon, although, I'm sure some of you have considered it.
Enter the world of AI scriptwriting tools. These aren't just fancy word processors, they're your AI writing partners ready to help you craft compelling scripts in a fraction of the time. Let's dive into one of my favorites. Name of AI tool demonstrates the tool. See how quickly it generates structured outline. This is game changer for brainstorming and organizing your thoughts. It takes the initial, most painful part of scriptwriting and just poof, makes it disappear. Okay, an outline is great, but what about the actual script? Well, these tools can do that too. You can customize the tone, length, and even add specific keywords for SEO. It's like having a writing assistant who works 24/7 and never asks for raise.
Now, some of you might be thinking, what about catchy titles or killer hooks? Don't worry, there are AI tools for that too. Or, what if you just need a quick brainstorm? Tools like ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful for generating ideas and overcoming writer's block.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Will AI replace human creativity? Absolutely not. These tools are meant to assist you, not replace you. They're like a superpower that amplifies your own creative abilities. They handle the tedious tasks so you can focus on the big picture, creating amazing content.
Imagine being able to create high-quality scripts for multiple videos in the time it used to take you to write just one. Imagine consistently uploading engaging content that keeps your audience hooked. That's the power of AI scriptwriting. It's not just the future of content creation, it's happening now.
But scriptwriting is just the beginning. What if you could use AI to create entire videos? From script to visuals to voiceover?
Well, guess what? I have got you covered. In my next video, I will show you exactly how to create a complete YouTube video using AI tools, step by step. Click the link on the end screen to watch it now. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Skillsphere for more AI-powered content creation tips. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me bring you more solutions like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.